Hey guys, it's me and my brother here. Say hi.
Hello.
What we're about to go pick up my dog because she had to go get neutered
Spade.
and spayed and get her shots. Did she get all of them?
She's got her rabies shot.
Her rabies
And
shots.
she got chipped.
And yeah, we're about to go do that. And I'm scared to see her. And I've been sick all day. I did not go to school, actually. Yeah, we're just going down the street. Not down the street, but close to my mom's work. And we're about to go see her. I'm scared. Are you?
No.
I am. I'm scared to see her. It's scary. So we're still on the way over there. Oh, it's right here? Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared to pick her up. I'm gonna record in there, can I? I'm gonna take some pictures of her too. I'm not gonna show y'all the address. Hi.
Hello.
Here.
Morales?
Got the thing. Pick up my dog. Who is that? That's name.
Reese's? This one?
Reese's, come here. Come here, baby. Come on. Come here, Reese's. Huh?
She's a weenie, and they said she was missing the pit bull too.
Wow. Chloe. Leo, sit. Leo, sit. Good boy, Chloe.
Hi, Reese's. Hi, Reese's. Reese's. Come here.
Come here, Leo.
Come here, baby.
Chloe, I'm sorry. Calm down.
Oh, just aborted town.
I don't want her to like stretch herself.
Reese's.
Taking a video? Yeah, hold on to it because I don't want her to hurt herself.
She can hurt herself like this?
Oh, yeah, because she has stitches. And, well, I don't know if she has stitches. She said it was caused by glue.
I need to turn the light. Am I covering the sound? I think I am. I'm not for sure. Well, the dog, he just put her down. She didn't want to move.
Yeah, she got fixed. And so I really hate that in the law nowadays they have to get fixed and
They
they
have
have to
to
get
get fit.
chipped and all that crap.
We still have 2 more dogs to go.
Yeah. But that stuff is expensive.
It was $300 just for one little dog.
Shouldn't the dog have to have this?
What is it? What does it say on it?
What's the numbers on the back?
The warehouse or what? Oh, and it has to go on them?
I think it's of their chip or something like that.
Oh.
You okay, Reese's?
Some more.
You can end the video now.
I don't
So
want
I
to.
can have my tablet back.
Okay.
37 minutes. Nobody's gonna wanna watch that. Go ahead and end it.
Alright.
See you later,
Bye.
haters. I'm just kidding.